Most people get website builders wrong by assuming they are all the same, but Pixpa is designed specifically for creatives, photographers, designers, and artists offering portfolio sites, e-commerce, and client galleries all on one platform. Today, I'm giving you an honest review based on actual usage, so you know if it's right for you. Pixpa setup is simple. You can choose from dozens of templates optimized for portfolios and online stores. Customization is intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality and a responsive editor. Most people get this wrong by assuming creative websites require coding skills, but Pixpa makes it accessible for beginners and pros alike. One standout feature is the client gallery and proofing tools. Photographers and designers can share password-protected galleries with clients, receive feedback, and even sell digital downloads directly. This is a huge time saver and centralizes your workflow in one place. Pixpa also supports e-commerce, including print products, digital downloads, and subscriptions. You can manage orders, payments, and inventory without relying on third-party integrations. Most people don't realize the value of combining portfolio and e-commerce tools on one platform until they try it. On the downside, advanced design customizations are somewhat limited compared to fully custom-coded sites, and some users may find loading times slightly slower if the site has many high-resolution images. However, for most creatives, the convenience outweighs these minor issues. In conclusion, Pixpa is a strong choice for creatives who want a professional portfolio combined with client management and e-commerce. Most people find it saves time, simplifies workflow, and presents their work beautifully online. Subscribe for more honest website builder reviews to help you choose the best platform for your creative business.